Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the laziest ways to make money for teenagers this year in 2024. Now, as a teenager, there are numerous opportunities to earn money and gain valuable experience. And in today's video, I'm going to be exploring various ways to make money that are suitable for teenagers. Yes, guys, let's explore various ways to make money that are suitable for teens. And the first one on my list is content creation. Do you know you can make a lot of money by being a content creator? Guys, in today's digital age, creating content online can be a profitable venture. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, writing a blog, or creating digital artwork, teenagers can monetize their creativity and attract a following through various online platforms. Now, do you know you can also make money as a social media influencer? Guys, with the rise of social media, teens have the opportunity to become influencers and collaborate with brands to promote products and services to their followers. By building a strong personal brand and engaging with your audience, teenagers can monetize their social media presence and earn money through sponsored content and affiliate marketing. Another way to make money as a teenager is through online surveys and market research. Now, many companies pay individuals to participate in online surveys and provide feedback on products and services. While individual survey payments may be modest, completing multiple surveys can add up to a significant income stream over time. And just so you know, I've done a survey before and I was paid $1,600 for the survey. You can actually make good money from surveys, just filling out surveys online. Yes, you're welcome. Please, I hope you have discarded this misconception that being a teenager don't earn you money or cannot earn you money. See, whether you're saving money for college or you want to buy the latest gadgets or you're simply to gain financial independence, there are plenty of ways for teenagers to make money and develop important skills along the way. And just so you know, you can leverage skills and talents and do freelancing opportunities. Yes, if you have a particular skill or talent, consider freelancing, whether it's graphic design, writing, or programming. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork offer opportunities for teenagers to showcase their skills and find clients that are willing to pay for their services. Now, another way to make money is through tutoring and homework help. See, if you excel in a particular subject, consider offering tutoring or homework to help other students. So whether it's maths, science, or language arts, tutoring can be a lucrative way to make money while helping other people succeed academically. Another way to make money is through performing arts and entertainment. If you have a passion for performing, explore opportunities in the arts and the entertainment industry, whether it's acting in local theater productions, performing music at events, or showcasing your talents on platforms like YouTube, like TikTok. The possibilities are endless. Guys, there's another app I'm going to be introducing you guys to, and I'm sure by now you have not heard about it. It is called Thumbtack. Thumbtack is an app for professionals and skilled workers. Yes, so whether you have the skill, you can actually list whatever you are good at on Thumbtack, and people can reach out to you. The only beef I have with Thumbtack is that they charge you up front. Yes, it helps you to look for clients. It helps you to scout for clients all over the internet. And the interesting thing is they have clients swamping in like every minute on Thumbtack. You can check out the app. Another way to actually get clients without paying for ads is by going through Nextdoor. Go ahead and download the app Nextdoor. I wasn't paid to do this. No, it has worked for me. It is still working for me and to continue to work for me. And I felt the need to also share with you. There's an app called Nextdoor, like the guy next door. So download the app Nextdoor and do not create a personal profile. Make sure that you create a business profile. The reason for this is if you create a personal profile and you put out a post, if you put out frequent posts, you might be banned, you might be deleted, people might complain about you. But if it's a business profile, you can post as long as you want. I'm telling you, last Sunday, I posted something on Nextdoor and I got over 9,000 views, organic views on Nextdoor. Yes, so they're going to post whatever you send out on Nextdoor to your neighborhood. Yes, maybe your county or your local community. So if they have 5 million people in your local community, if you can access just 10% of that, that is more than enough. If you can access 500,000 people, I'm telling you, out of 5 million people in your local community, Guys, what can be better than that? There is no way in the world that you will not get clients, and it has worked for me so many times, and it's working for me. And because it's working for me, I just sit on that app. Like, I don't need to go and run Facebook ads. Yes, Facebook ads. I don't need to run any Facebook ads. Thank me later. So guys, if you have any skill, please let me know in the comments. If you have any question for me, today's video, I'm going to devote my time to help assist you guys in the comments. If you have a skill, but you're unsure of where to start from, you don't know where, you don't need to book a free consultation with me. Just let me know in the comments and I'm going to respond to you in real time. So go ahead and let me know if you have any skill that you want to monetize. Monetize means maybe you have a skill you're good at, maybe reading or taking care of pets. You know, how can you make a business out of it? So if you love to take care of pets, for instance, you can also talk about it on Nextdoor. Some people might want to travel and leave their pets behind and they need someone to take care of the pets. I mean, I have friends who had to travel. They had an emergency. They had to travel to another state. And what they did was they took their dog to a hotel. A dog hotel. I never knew it existed. So, I mean, it's a lot cheaper if you, I mean, they might have spent like $1,000 to take care of your dog maybe for a week that they were away, because according to my friend, they shower for the dog, they feed the dog, and they read bedtime stories. I've never heard it before in my life. They read bedtime stories to these dogs. Yes. So you can actually get the gig for a lower amount. I mean, if your parents would allow you to take care of the dog, I mean, in your home, you don't necessarily have to bring it in. If you have like a mini home, the dog right beside your house, just make sure that it's safe and the owners of the dog will still find the dog when they come back. Not that the dog has gone astray or somebody has stolen the dog that was in your care. You know, so yes, you can do that maybe for $500. It's not a bad idea for 1 week to take care of the dog for a week. What do you have to spend? Just go to a pet store, get their food, and the owners of the pets are even likely to provide the food for their pets. You know, people take care of their pets like real human beings in this part of the world. So yes, let me know what you're skilled in, what you think that you want to sell. If you don't know how to go about it, just leave it in the comments. I'll be happy to give you pointers on how to start and earn your first dollar with the gig, with your inbuilt skills. So I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you are not confused that you can start to make money from the comfort of your home. And that is it for today, guys. Making money is easy. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and I will see you in my next video. And just in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to exploits, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.